Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this head from the Eclipse in front of me, and I know many of you will have problems like this, which is stripped holes, threads for the valve cover. And as you can see over here, I already repaired that one. So today I'll show you how to actually repair uh, stripped threads and redo the helicoil, so that way you can just of course reuse it, and you don't have to make a hole bigger and anything. So yeah, this is how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna put you on the stand so you can look at it. All right, inside here there is a old helicoil, and it's probably all the way on the bottom right there. You can either take it off with the pick if you have, or you can drill it. So I already marked. Make sure that you measure the depth of the hole, and then you mark it, so that way you don't go through, and if you go through then you're in big trouble. So yeah, I'm gonna start drilling right here. All right. By the way, this is Mitsubishi head 4G63. There right there is a M6 by 1.0 helicoil, so you're gonna have to find that. Now I'm gonna grab my threader, position it straight, and start threading new threads. Make sure it's straight. You can use a cutting oil, but since this is not that a deep hole, and it's aluminum, it's not, for me, I don't think it's necessary, but you can. So slowly keep going down. You're gonna notice the resistance. Back it up. Back it up all the way. Blow it off, and then do it again. Oops, sorry. Started with just a hand. All right. Go back in, and let's do it again. Once you feel resistance, stop, because it's really easy to break this, and then you're gonna have problem extracting it. All right, so once we got all that done, blow it out, and then you're gonna need a tool similar to this for putting in the helicoils. Alright, that's how they look. Inside here they have a little notch that you actually slide this tool right there. You can see it. Alright, and then all you're gonna do is start screwing this in. There we go. It takes time, so don't rush it, don't force it, because you're gonna break it, you're gonna stretch it, and you have to do it again. I'll let you do it right here so you can see it. You can see how it's screwing in. That's all you need, guys. A little bit of pressure, not too much, because what happened is a lot of people push this tool down and it actually stretches it, and it's actually doesn't this helicoil doesn't land in the grooves of your threads that you made, and it starts messing your threads, so you're gonna have to go and redo it. Alright, once it starts feeling resistance, stop, and then you can take this tool out. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but on the bottom now there is this spring right there that goes across, right? So what you're gonna do, you can use a screwdriver or something that's pointing and that can fit in there, and you can actually hit that part and it will break from your hit, right? Okay, it should be good. But anyway, that's one, right? I placed one in there. So if you want it all the way like this one, you're gonna have to stack it on top. So you can stack them. You can stack helicoils right there. You can put one and then next to one. So all this is doing it, you can just stack it like a Legos. All right, you finish with one, you screw back in another one. So what are important things about helicoils? There's a few things that I want to mention, and that's the size. Make sure that you have a proper size for your parts. Focus on that. Make sure your threads are the one that you want, because these helicoils come in different sizes, different threads, different lengths as well. So you can get a set like this that I bought off of the internet. It's I like how this is metal. It's a really nice sturdy piece. It comes with different helicoils. It comes with the drill bit, different size. So this drill bit will be necessary for M5 08, and this is your threader. This is your tool for screwing it in, and then of course there is a little tool that you actually break those little notches at the end. So yeah, it has, like I said, a couple of sizes, and it has a lot of extra helicoils. For example, right there, this is M10. It has a bunch of them. You can buy these separate as well. So yeah, at this point I'm actually doing a review of this tool as well. Might as well, because as you can see, I already fixed 3. I need this one finished, and that's pretty much it for this head. Then I'm gonna have to replace valve seals. I will show you guys how to do that as well, and then as well as the lifters. So this head is gonna go through washing as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. An easy do-it-yourself thing that you can do it. You just have to be extremely careful. Like I said, measure the hole before you drill it. Measure it, then make sure you mark the drill bit, and once you reach that point, stop. Don't go any further. Especially because these holes, you can see right there, you can just drill it out. I mean, it wouldn't be a big problem because this hole is coming out. You're not gonna, sorry my language, but you will uh, have problems if you actually drill it into the water system, where then you're gonna have to mixing water and fuel, or water and oil. So yeah, be careful with that. On these, I will probably install studs, so I will no longer use a regular bolt. So I'll just use the studs, so that way I'll put a valve cover, and then I'll do the stainless steel nuts as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you real quick how to do this. It's an easy thing. It's something that's gonna save you some money, because if you go to a machine shop, they might charge you I don't know how much, but yeah, they might charge you quite a bit of money to fix that. So yeah, thank you again, guys, for watching. Make sure you share this video. If you're new, of course, please subscribe. Consider subscribing. Share it with your friends. Like it. Put a comment down below if you need some info regarding this. And of course, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.